Hello everyone, this is Said and welcome to AndrabCodes. Welcome to the another lecture of our complete Python course. In today's lecture, we are going to build a calculator program for operating on two numbers. That is, this program can operate on two numbers, whether that's addition, whether that's subtraction, division, and all those operations. So this program will be used to perform operations on two numbers. So let's get started. First of all, I will create two variables for storing those two numbers. So I will create my variable with the name that is first number and simply int input enter first number, then \n, right? Similarly, I will create another variable for the second number, that is second number, and enter second number, right? After that, I will create another variable that will indicate the type of operation that is going to be performed on those two numbers. So I will create a variable with the name, for example, operation. This variable is going to store the type of operation that is going to be performed on those two numbers. So whether the user enters plus, minus, multiplication, that is asterisk sign, or divide sign, so that will be stored in this variable that is operation. So now I will create another variable operation, and simply I will write input enter your desired operation. So after taking all the data from the user, that is first number, second number, and the type of operation, we will begin with the if statement. So I will simply say if operation double equals to plus. Why plus and why I placed them in double quotes? Because signs, that is plus, minus, division sign, are considered as strings. Okay. So I simply created a if statement, that is if operation double equals to plus colon, then print the sum of those two numbers, because that's what we want to do. We want to add those two numbers. So if the user selects plus operation, then the first and second number will be added, right? So in the similar way, let's move on. We will write elif operation. Now after addition, we will write subtraction here. This time, what will we do? We will simply print first number minus second number. It's very simple. If the operation is plus, perform addition on those two numbers. If the operation is minus, perform subtraction on those two numbers. What will be the next statement? Elif operation equals to asterisk. This is used for what? Multiplication. And we will simply write here what? Asterisk sign. So addition, subtraction, multiplication. Next will be division, right? So what will we do? Create another elif, and in fourth case we will use the division sign. And here also first number divided by second number, right? So that's it. We actually created a simple basic calculator that will operate on those two numbers using the if-elif conditional statements. The logic is very simple actually. I created three variables, that is first number, second number, and operation, that will store the two numbers and the type of operation that is going to be performed on those two numbers. After that, I simply used if-elif conditional statements. If the user enters plus, then we need to add those two numbers. If minus, we need to subtract those two numbers. If asterisk, we need to multiply those two numbers. And if division, we need to divide those two numbers. Let's try to run our program. See, it tells me enter first number. Say for example, I write 2, enter second number. Say for example, I will write 4, then enter. And now it asks me to enter my desired operation. Say for example, I will write plus here. See, it gives me 6. Why? Because 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Very simple. Try to run again. First number 2, second number 4, desired operation, for example, subtraction this time, minus, and enter. That will be, result will be minus 2. Again 2 and 4, right? Desired operation this time, that is asterisk. So enter 8. 4 2s are 8, right? Very simple actually. And next for the division, that is 2 and 4. Desired operation division, enter, and that will be 0.5. I hope you understand the program. That's all for today. Thank you so much for being with me. See you in the next lecture.